getting a bit scared. You can go for a fly if you want. Hey, it's okay. Hello there. You're looking at Spitfire. Off you go. What's up? Hey, it's a bit scary, isn't it? Got so much space. Yes, there's a lot of space. Yeah, new space. Yeah, I know. What do you reckon, hey? It's okay. It's alright. Good bird. Good bird. And that's a good bird. You're alright. Hey, you're alright. Where are you off to? You want to go on a perch or something? Looking at Spitfire over there, aren't you? Wondering what he's going to do now that you're alone with him. Hey? No bars between you. You want to hop on the perch there? Look. Look, just up there. There's a perch. Yeah? You're happy enough on my head, aren't you? Just stay there, that's safe. What do you reckon, little bird? Hey, do you want to come on my hand? You come on my hand? You're gonna... Oh, hello. Who's this over here? Someone's come closer. Who's down there? I can't actually look or else I'll tilt you off. Is he wandering around underneath?